Hello everybody. I'm going to show you mixing cement in the Philippines. This is how everything is built, period. I've built 3 houses. Did a lot of the concrete work with bricks like Steve is doing here, and this is how it's done. It is mixed on the ground. They generally put a couple bags of 3-4 bags of sand, 1 bag of cement, 2-3 bags of stone, and then they hand mix it with a shovel and then into a bucket, as you've seen here, like he's doing, in order to fill the pier there. But this is the way the Filipinos build, completely. Only on big projects in the cities have I seen them actually use a cement truck. Everything else is done here. As you can see, he's barefoot in there, and the guys are here too. But they mix it up, generally about 1 sack of cement at a time. As you can see laying here, they know the consistency that they need, adding the water in order to make it the right consistency for the job that they're doing here. I just wonder how many Americans would build if they had to do it this way. This is a whole different ball game, and everything we built, like I said, all 3 houses and everything we've done out at the farm, this is exactly how we've done it, a bucket at a time. Even building our compost bin, which everybody has seen there, and doing the floor in it, it is basically a bucket at a time. So this is how it's done, and this is what they're used to doing, and they know how to do this. They've been doing this forever, and the kids learn from their fathers, from their uncles and cousins and everything else, and it's passed on from generation to generation. Like I said, the only time I've ever seen a truck used was basically in the bigger cities, even in some of the big buildings in Taliban that are going up now, all done by hand. It's all mixed by hand, all bucketed to where they need to use it. So it's kind of a whole different ball game here and that. So I just wanted my viewers to be able to see that. I'm sure most are completely unfamiliar with the manual labor that's involved here. And then if you look at the work that they do and the good work that they do here, pretty amazing. I'm amazed all the time by how they're able to square everything up with a bubble level. It's basically a 20-30 foot piece of clear plastic hose that they use for leveling of everything. The blocks are, as you can see, are concreted mostly from top to bottom, or from on the side. This area that I'm pointing to here, the horizontal is concreted. They actually put the cement down, then set the bricks up, and that. They do not actually cement in between. Why this cement is there? When they're done laying up a level, like this level right here, they'll put a bead down here of cement. They'll set the bricks on, and then what they do is they actually pour in concrete. So instead of a 4-inch wall here, hollow wall, you've got a 4-inch solid wall, and of course with the rebar in too. Generally every brick to every other brick has a rebar that goes all the way down into the footing. So by the time you're done, it kind of looks like you've got cement in here and there, but really the only things that they actually cement is the horizontal row here between the different layers. The rest of it is just, they pour in cement when they're done with the row, that fills up it, so you've got actually a 4-inch solid wall of concrete with rebar in. So I'm going to let you folks go. A little education on building here in the Philippines and what they do compared to what most people are used to in that, and and they do a good job of it. It's really good. I'm very pleased, and that's the construction of all of our buildings at our place. And he's doing the same thing with all the construction here. Say goodbye to everybody. Yeah, see? Okay. Have a good day, everybody, and God bless.